Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to see and share Spotify Iceberg. So for that, open the Google Chrome on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Chrome, tap on search bar and there you type in Icebergify and tap on search. It will direct you to the search result for that keyword, and from here you need to tap on the very top link. Tap that. It will direct you to the Icebergify official web page, and here you need to tap on create yours. After that, you will need to get logged in into the account. So you can provide your email address and password. You can also log in with Facebook, Apple or Google if you have linked this account with Spotify. Type in the details now. Now type in the password and tap on login. Now you tap on agree over here, and with that you will be logged in into the account. Icebergify is a tool that collects your listening trend data from your Spotify, from your top 50 artists to the across the short term, long term or the medium period time. It uses this data to create the most listening artists of yours to the very low that you have been listening to. Now the top part of this iceberg will contain the most frequently listened song, that is the artist, album or the song in a particular will be shown in here. This will be the song that you have been listening repeatedly or currently in your Spotify. Below will be the song, artist or the album that you are not listening on regular basis. So all the artists, albums or the songs will be in the below. So this is how you can see the Iceberg Spotify. Now to share it, what you can do is you can tap and hold on the image and it will give you this option. From here you tap on download image. Once you do that, the file will be downloaded. Tap on open. Now you will be able to share this Iceberg Spotify to different social media platform of yours. Tap on share on the top right corner, and from there you will be share it to the social media, mail it to your friend, post it as a tweet, and you have other options as well. So this is how you can see and share Spotify Iceberg. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.